Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into BECU banking app, secure method step by step clearly. To log into the BECU banking app securely, begin by locating the app on your mobile device. Tap the BECU app icon to open it. Once the app is open, you'll be presented with the login screen. Enter your username in the designated field. Ensure that your username is typed correctly to avoid any login issues. Next, tap on the password field. Type in your password with caution. Make sure your password is entered accurately. If you have forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After entering your username and password, verify that the information is correct. For added security, enable biometric login if your device supports it. If enabled, you can choose to log in using your fingerprint or facial recognition. Before tapping the login button, confirm that you are using a secure Wi-Fi network or your mobile data. Once you're ready, tap the login button to access your account. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to the main dashboard of the app. If you encounter any errors, double-check your username and password for accuracy. In case of persistent issues, consider contacting BECU customer support for assistance. Always remember to log out after completing your banking session for enhanced security. Now you can manage your banking needs safely and efficiently using the BECU app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.